Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Khan Academy account. All you need to do is come here at the top right. You'll see your username. Okay, once you're logged in, just go ahead and click on this and you will see this drop down of different options. I want you to click on this one, which says settings, and you will be redirected to this page. Now under account settings, what I need you to do is scroll down, okay? All the way down here. And you will see an option here that says delete your account, okay? I need you to click on this option. So there we go. And they want you to confirm who you are for security of your account. They're going to ask you to log in again to make this change. I'll continue with Google and select this Google account that I'm currently logged into. We are just confirming Google that we are the person who wants to make this change. Now we are going to delete this account. Shows me the username and what this will discard, right? 2 badges, all video and skill progress, all discussion posts, votes, and all computer science programs. Now, the account will be deleted 1 day from now, and if we do log in to this account before then, it will not be deleted. And if you do not log in, basically, within a day, this account is forever deleted permanently. This cannot be undone. Just click on delete, and there we go. We're going to get logged out, and within a day, your account will be deleted if you don't log in. Really that easy and simple.